for the Camaro fans out there. 2001 Chevrolet Camaro SS T-top car. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed actual miles of just a little over 22,000 is all in this one. Of course, that 5.7 liter LS1 V8 underneath the hood. Very tried and true popular GM engine. Take a look at the front fascia. Nice shape, not full of rock chips or dings. What you'd expect with this kind of miles. 6-speed manual transmission paired up with that LS1, power steering, power brakes, AC. And as you can see, paint shows well on this one. Take your time looking through the still pictures. Be a bunch of still pictures, underside, interior, engine bay. You can see those at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on the correct 17-inch chrome SS wheels, practically new radial tires. Let's take a look down the passenger side of this car. Of course, you won't see a lot of these out there. About 1,325, I believe, were produced by SLP for Chevrolet as far as the SS package goes. Interior, black bucket seats, or dark charcoal, I guess whichever you'd prefer to call it as far as color. Center console, very stock looking interior also. Did take the T-tops out so you could see the rubber gaskets, nice and pliable. All good there. It is the kind of smoked glass, transparent T-tops too. You'll be able to see in the pictures, T-tops in, T-tops out, have it pictured both ways. This car is also going to come with a car cover, and it also has the front license plate bracket you can put on without having to screw holes right into that front fascia. So, nice little feature. Coming around to the rear, you're going to notice the dual exhaust. This does have true dual exhaust, 3-inch. It has headers on it. Engine has also been tuned since that was done, so everything's good to go there. And this car has a bark to it. We're going to start it up, let you hear it run. We'll also take it for a drive at the very end of this video, so stick around. See how it goes down the road, kind of take you for a virtual ride, if you will. You also notice that rear glass is tinted. In the still pictures, I have the side windows up, and those are tinted. So know your local and state laws, depending on the percentage of window tint that you can have on your car. Again, those pictures where you can see it, uniqueclassiccars.com. Now with the SS Performance package, again, that was done at SLP for Chevrolet, you do have this SS specific spoiler back here. You're also going to have performance shocks in it. It's a little firmer shock. Stiffer springs and bushings. Larger front stabilizer bar. If you're into Camaros or Corvettes, Mustangs, you like watching car videos, like to check out vehicles, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here. It can be some little newer stuff like this sometimes, and when I say new, obviously it's 22 years old, 23 now, but sometimes we'll have turn of the century cars, 32 Fords. So you, like I said, you just never know what you may see, and sometimes those old classics are stock, sometimes they're street rotted. So go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. All right, as far as the interior, of course, your modern amenities, power windows, power mirrors, power locks, power seat over here on this side. Got some nice Camaro SS floor mats. This seat, also nice shape. A little bit of wear in the bolster. No rips, tears, or holes. Of course, tilt column, cruise control, steering wheel controls for the stereo. That is still the stock monsoon stereo in it. All right, we're gonna fire this thing up so you can hear it run. Like I said, it's got a little bark to it. Okay, there's your exact miles. As soon as I click up, there they go. 22,017. You can see that. Top of the dash looks good. The stereo does work. Coming over here to the dash, gauge is working. No warning lights on. That's just the seat belt warning since I don't have that on. This car will turn some heads the way it looks and the way it sounds. You can hear that. Oh yeah. Here's that rumble. Slip up to the front. I'm going to pause this a second so I can get this hood open. Looks like we have a little brighter, more modern headlight here too, more of a halogen. Definitely putting off more than the stock lights. Alright, let me pause it real quick. Check out that engine bay. Remember, stick around to the very end of this video. We're taking this car for a drive. I want to show you something real quick on this hood. So this top right here where it's vented, that is functioning. So you do have basically a cold air intake. You can see right here. Maybe you can. Anyway, there's the outlet vents from the top of that hood, which in turn going to the SLP intake, which is basically along here. Very nice setup under here. Also see battery replaced with AC Delco. This car's been well taken care of. It'll be a fun one to drive. And again, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Just a little over 22,000 miles. LS1 power with that 6-speed manual transmission. Your modern amenities, power steering, power brakes, AC. What more do you want? And it looks good besides. 2001 Chevrolet Camaro SS T-top car. Not a lot of these produced, folks. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 2001 Chevrolet Camaro in black with a 6-speed manual transmission and T-tops. This car has got a lot of goodies. Sounds amazing. It's got some aggressive mufflers on it that sound good. Put it in 6 just for you. Don't even need it because we're doing roughly the speed limit. But this will get you a nice low RPM for cruising down that freeway. All our gauges appear to be working and in the good zone. Oil pressure approaching 60 psi. Front your radio works well. Very nice interior. This car showing 22,020 miles, and that feels right. It feels very low. Seats look like very low mile seats, and the car just feels new. Corners very well. Doesn't lean very much at all. There's a certain tone you get to where it adds a little more rasp, and I like it. What a fun Camaro to drive. Take a look at all the pictures and learn more about it at UniqueClassicCars.com.